Dealavo Product Panel. How to navigate it and how to check your price position with Dealavo. Dealavo is a price monitoring, dynamic pricing and e-commerce analytics tool that helps online stores and brands increase sales performance and profit margin. The product panel is the default view when you log into Dealavo application. It is at the very center of the application. Here you can see all the products, prices and data that the app has collected from the market and from your competitors' websites. Product names, store names, prices and download sources are shown here. There is also an option to manually edit your products, manage them, add them to specific groups or remove them. For each product you have a price ranking available. In it you can see how many offers the Dealavo tool has found. You can also see the position of your monitored product in this price ranking. Your product is additionally marked and the name is bold. You can also see all the other listings, from the cheapest to the most expensive ones, with the prices, store names and channels, for example Amazon or Google Shopping. The view is fully customizable with columns, filters, product groups and presets. You can set which alerts you want to be visible next to the products. You can learn more about the groups, filters and alerts in the videos dedicated to them. You can download what you see in the panel to an Excel file at any time. In Excel, you will see the same columns that you have set up in the product panel. You can control them above the panel. You can choose which columns you are interested in and which ones you want to hide. That's all about our product panel. You can see more information and other features of the tool in other videos in our knowledge base and on our YouTube channel. I also encourage you to arrange a price monitoring consultation with one of our experts and to try a free demo account of our platform. The link is below the video. See you soon!